I gained 40 pounds living in New York City easily, not because I didn't know how to cook. I used to cook for 200 people, but because I went through the process of ordering my weight in unplanned takeout or delivery food. Big issue here, New York City, amazing food everywhere. You just pull out your phone and you scroll through and you order food. It's at your doorstep in like 20, 30 minutes. Besides blowing a bunch of money, I gained a bunch of weight eating a bunch of unhealthy food because I didn't plan those meals in advance. But you should reframe your mindset around this. So the unplanned delivery, takeout food, it's not as much lack of motivation, discipline. Unplanned takeout is a craving problem. That's at the core of it. Because when dinner has no plan in place, you're going to go through the path of least resistance, which is takeout, delivery food, or PB&J sandwich, which isn't going to nourish you. You're going to sleep like shit. You're going to wake up with no focus, drive, and clarity in the morning. Cooking for a couple hundred people back in the Coast Guard back in the day, we used to have this process where each department, say the engineering department, might take one night a month or every couple weeks, whatever it may be, and they'd cook some kind of easy meal or a fan favorite or something like that to give the cooks a night off. That was one way us cooks could give ourselves the night off of thinking about food decisions, having to cook and deal with that. So my version of that now is planned takeout and delivery food. So that might be once a week. Every once in a while, we do it twice a week. But the concept, when you plan out in advance, instead of ordering an ad hoc delivered pizza, for instance, or pasta dish, whatever it may be, it's much less likely to be as greasy and unhealthy if you plan in advance. So prime example I use often is every Wednesday night, along with watching the newest episode of Survivor, my wife and I get planned takeout. We get sushi almost every Wednesday night without fail. And what that does, it gives us a night to relax and not think about food decisions. We don't have to deal with dishes, and we know we can look forward to it. Especially middle of the week, highly recommend do it like a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday kind of vibe. It helps a lot more than you would think. The simple framework to use this is going to be: first, you're going to plan a night. Second, you're going to plan a meal option. And third, you're going to use it as an outlet to release some pressure for the week. Not worry about food decisions, not worry about cleaning dishes or figuring out the perfect recipe. You're going to relax. You're going to eat something that hopefully is a little healthy-ish, planned in advance. It's going to be something to look forward to, something that's not going to break the budget, and something that's going to give you some relief on that decision fatigue midweek. This is clicking with you. I've got a free 5-day meal planning system you can grab down below. Like this video, subscribe to this channel, watch this video next.